Hey guys, so in this video, we will create the question for our quiz app. So there will obviously need to be a question at the top of these answer choices right over here. So we want our question to be on top of all of these answer choices, and remember that these answer choices are in this linear layout. So we will put all our questions above the linear layout on this line over here. Now we will make our question a text view, as the question is simply just holding text. So open an angular bracket and type in text view, and close it with a backslash. Now after the word text view over here, click on enter. Here is where you will write all the code for the text view. It will be inside these angular brackets. So right now, the text view is red, and that is because we have not specified a width and height for it. So we want the width and height for this text view to be the same as that of this linear layout. So let's copy these two lines of code over here, which specify the width and height, and let's paste them onto this line, like this. Great, now our text view has a width and a height. Now remember that every component needs an ID, so let's give it the ID question. Again, to do this, we just have to type in Android :ID is equal to ID question. Now we want the question to be displayed right above the linear layout. So to do this, we just have to type Android :layout _above is equal to open quotation marks. And now, inside the quotation marks, we just need to specify the thing that this text has to be above. We want it to be above this linear layout. So we will refer to the linear layout by its ID. Remember that we gave it the ID choices _ layout. So inside the quotation marks over here, we will write @ID/ choices _ layout. Now we have told Android Studio to put this text above the linear layout. Awesome. Now let's add some temporary text in it. Keep in mind that this text will just be temporary and the text will keep changing based on the question. So to add the text, we just have to type in Android :text is equal to open quotation marks, and for now we can make the text, this will be the question. Now this text view is sticking to the left over here. To make the text be in the center, we just have to type Android :text alignment is equal to center. Now the text is hard to see because the color is black, so let's change the color to white. To do this, just type in Android text color is equal to white. Great, now the text is white and easier to see. I want the text to be a little bigger, so I will type Android :text size is equal to, and in quotation marks, type 25 SP. Great, now the text is much bigger. The text is also sticking to the answer choices over here too much. So, to add some space between the text and the linear layout, let's add a margin below the text. To do this, just type Android :layout _ margin bottom is equal to 20 SP. 20 SP is just the size of the margin. If I make it 60 SP, you can see that the space between the answer choices and the question is a lot bigger. So I will change it back to 20 SP. One last thing I want to do with this text is to make it bold. To make it bold, here is the command that you would write. Android text style is equal to bold. Great, now the text is bolded. So this is what the text view for the question looks like. In the next video, we will finish the design of the app by adding a last submit button.